Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam was thrown into fire. She wants to know what is the true nature of this incident.
You see, the fire can be metaphorical in the sense that the animosity against him was burning high, raging so much that it was his life was made miserable. But then God saw to it that he migrated from that place, and the fire turned into a sort of gulzar, as they call it. But this is just a metaphorical interpretation by some scholars. Hazrat Masih Maud believed that if it were actual fire he was thrown in, it is not at all impossible for God to have quenched that fire, that heat. And he was so positive about it that he said, if my enemies want to try, they can throw me in the burning fire, raging fire, and I'll come out without being scathed at all. So not only this, he claimed that आग हमारी गुलाम बल्कि गुलामों की भी गुलाम है. The fire is not only our slave, but is a slave of our slaves. This has happened many times in the history of Jamaat, where fire was quenched before it could reach the Ahmadis. And sometimes it happens through natural means, which are commanded by God, of course. It is possible that Hazrat Ibrahim was thrown in burning fire, but sudden rain would have immediately extinguished it. So this type of miracle we have witnessed in our days in case of many of Hazrat Masih Maud followers. Because of the shortage of time, I'm coming to, I want to make it brief now.